This RE/MAX Preferred Associates property video is presented by Gwen Moore. What a bargain! This home has been well maintained with several updates the last few years. They include storm door, solar screens, black appliances and vent-a-hood, some light fixtures, ceiling fans, toilets, water heater and HVAC replaced in 2015. Other features include wood fence, a portion recently replaced and stained, built-in bookshelves and open patio. Refrigerator conveys with sale. For more information, review the details below or contact Gwen Moore at 214-542-5910.